Därför TV.
Learn and practice simple phrases in English. Wake up. Wake up. Stretch. Stretch. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. Wash face. Wash face. Lay the bed. Lay the bed. Take a shower. Take a shower. Get dressed. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Drink tea. Drink tea. Check phone. Check phone. Read news. Read news. Meditate. Meditate. Exercise. Exercise. Take a walk. Take a walk. Do laundry. Do laundry. Clean the room. Clean the room. Cook lunch. Cook lunch. Eat lunch. Eat lunch. Take a nap. Take a nap. Watch television. Watch television. Listen to music. Listen to music. Play with a pet. Play with a pet. Read a book. Read a book. Write in a journal. Write in a journal. Solve puzzles. Solve puzzles. Play games. Play games. Practice a hobby. Practice a hobby. Call a friend. Call a friend. Send emails. Send emails. Pay bills. Pay bills. Go shopping. Shopping. Plan a trip. Plan a trip. Pack a bag. Pack a bag. Go to work. Go to work. Work on a project. Work on a project. Take a break. Take a break. Chat with colleagues. Chat with colleagues. Make a to-do list. Make a to-do list. Use social media. Use social media. Watch videos. Watch videos. Listen to podcasts. Listen to podcasts. Take notes. Take notes. Make appointments. Make appointments. Attend events. Attend events. Volunteer. Volunteer. Donate to charity. Donate to charity. Take care of plants. Take care of plants. Water plants. Water plants. Mow the lawn. Mow the lawn. Clean the car. Clean the car. Iron clothes. Iron clothes. Fold laundry. Fold laundry. Clean the dish. Clean the dish. Feed pets. Feed pets. Take out trash. Take out trash. Go to bed. Go to bed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.